Meeting Baba for the very first time. Hyderabad, 1936. Dadi and her Lokik father had a daily practice of going for a morning walk in a nearby city park. One day, while returning from the park, they saw Dada Lekraj walking towards them. Dadi's father, being younger in age, began to bow to Dada, but Dada would not let him. Dadi innocently looked up at Dada and experienced a subtle and powerful presence of light that streamed with magical, sparkling vibrations. It was a beautiful moment as Dadi was captivated by Dada's radiant forehead. Instantly, the arrow was shot and a link of love forged with Baba. A natural sense of detachment from her Lokik family also took place. Dadi knew in her heart, this is my real Baba, my true father. Personal application. Dadi's search for God's light was fulfilled. In her heart, she knew that she had found her one and only Supreme Father. From that day forward, her attention was intensely focused on sustaining this precious relationship. Each of us has experienced finding our Supreme Father. Now, it is our responsibility to keep this awareness fresh so that we may remain fully engaged in maintaining this cherished connection.